Headers are additional bits of data you can send to the web server when making a request. Although no headers are strictly required when making an HTTP request, you'll find it difficult to view a website properly. Common request headers. These are headers that are sent from the client, usually your browser, to the server host, user agent, content length, and accept encoding. The host header gives the following information. Some web server hosts multiple websites. So providing the host header, you can tell it which one of you require. Otherwise, you'll just receive the default website for the server. User agent, this is your browser software and version number. Telling the web server your browser software helps it format the website properly for your browser, and also some elements of HTML, JavaScript, and CSS are only available in certain browsers. Content length header. When sending data to a web server, such as in a form, the content length tells the web server how much data to expect in the web request. This way, the server can ensure it isn't missing any data. Accept encoding tells the web server what types of compression methods the browser supports, so the data can be made smaller for transmitting over the internet. And the cookie, data sent to the server to help remember your information. Common response headers, we read common requests. Responses, these are the headers that are returned to the client from the server after a request. Set cookie, information to store which gets sent back to the web server on each request. Cache control, how long to store the content of the response in the browser's cache before it requests it again. Content type, this tells the client what type of data is being returned. That is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, PDFs, videos, and etc. Using the content type header, the browser then knows how to process the data. Content encoding, what method has been used to compress the data to make it smaller when sending it over the internet, right? Comes from accept encoding. What header tells the web server what browser is being used? This one, user agent. What header tells the browser what type of the data is being returned? Content type. What header tells the web server which website is being requested? Host.